A Christmas tree.
Is that what it's called?
A bit wonky. Nah, it's a pine. Excuse me, it's a pine tree. Can you feel yourself getting zapped by electromagnetic radiation from these power lines? You feel it, ready? On your brain, like sucking the brain cells out. Oh, there's a cow.
Oh, it's next to an electric fence. I don't want to touch it.
Oh,
There's sheep.
okay. Sheep, wow.
Sheep.
Oh, man, they're hiding in the shade. Yeah.
What the hell is that for?
What? Oh, it's for loading them under the truck.
Oh.
Where they go off to become cheeseburgers.
Oh, that bird's got a dodgy wing. We gotta save it.
You want to save the bird? Right. I'll turn around and you can try and catch the dodgy wing bird, okay?
I've never actually caught a bird. I don't know what to do with it. I feel like I'd get pegged. Animal care center. Boom! Animal care center. We'll take it there with the dodgy
Where?
wing.
Okay.
We're gonna save this dodgy bird. Even though it's a peewee.
Where is it? Which side of the road is it?
I don't know. It's a bit special.
Oh, you saw it!
There's a dodgy bird. It's
Where?
in the bushes. See?
Okay.
Oh, nope. I think it's going on the other side of the fence. We can't save it.
I can't save it?
No. Buddy, we were trying to help you, you dumb bird.
Do you want to go try and save
It's
it?
in someone's yard.
Oh, he's all...
Yeah.
You can just run around the side of the fence and grab him.
No. There's someone's property.
Okay.
I don't want to help her. Don't want to do
Okay.
it. Protective equipment must be worn on that side anyway.
Okay.
You know what we should tell the people at the animal care center? That it's got a dodgy
Okay.
wing. He's doing an Ace Ventura, remember? No. He's
Yeah.
doing an Austin Powers.
Yeah.
When he gets stuck and he can't reverse out.
Want to go crash that party?
There's a party? Yeah, come
Yeah,
on.
like, hey, yeah, I know Jono. Yeah, I'm his mate from work.
And you can use your superpowers, Chant Buddy Pow,
Cheer, buddy, pal, mate, captain.
Chief, I don't know.
Hey, buddy, yeah, long time no see.
What would you have called me if it wasn't Louise? If we went to go crash that party, crash the party.
Penelope Garfunkel III.
Penelope Garfunkel the Third.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go crash
No,
the party.
it'd be Lady Penelope the Garfunkel III. And they'd be like, oh, she's important. Better not question that. Like, you know, next year you get guest of honor and they're like giving you stuff.
Burn, we're smart.
We're smart.
What would be my job? Because people say I look 14.
You're a crayon dealer.
Yep, crayon dealer.
Internationally renowned crayon dealer expert. A crayon connoisseur, if you will.
Jesus.
People like bringing you crayons like, what's it? Oh, this is a very rare 1986
Periwinkle.
yeah, periwinkle purple.
I think periwinkle's actually a blue. See, I know more about crayons than
Not
you.
in 1986, it was definitely a purple. It was a limited edition periwinkle purple. You're very lucky to have this crayon and you should take good care of it.
Worth $1 million.
$1 million. It's been appraised by Penelope, Lady Penelope Garfunkel III.
Bus.
Yeah, I see him.
Hi. I got a wave.
Cool.